Hey family, I know it's been a minute. And before we dive in, let me just say this from the bottom of my heart. I'm truly sorry for not uploading for a while. To my channel members, I'm truly sorry. Life happened, things got a little hectic, but I'm back now, stronger, better, and more committed to bringing you real value that can change your life. Okay? If you've stayed subscribed, thank you. You're the best. All right. And if you're new here, welcome to the channel where we find real ways to earn real money online, especially if you live in Africa. Today, I'm sharing two legit remote jobs you can do at night while the rest of the world sleeps. Yes, that's right. If you're a night owl or your days are packed with family, school, work, or hustle, this is for you. And the best part, you don't need a laptop to start. Your smartphone is all you need. So let's dive in. The first one is called Clickworker. You guys may have heard about it. Now, if you've never heard of it, Clickworker is a crowdsourcing platform that pays people just like you and me to complete small digital tasks. Things like writing, translating, categorizing images, or even just answering surveys. Let me break it down for you. Okay? How it works. Once you sign up on clickworker.com, you get access to a list of available tasks. It's that simple. You complete them, submit, and boom, you get paid. Tasks range from just a few cents to a few dollars, and it really adds up. Why it works for Nigerians and Africans? You can sign up from Nigeria, no VPNs, no tricks. You get paid via PayPal or SEPA. And with virtual dollar cards or Pioneer, you can access your money. Most tasks don't require perfect English, okay? Just be able to understand and follow instructions. Why is perfect for night work? Okay, let's look at that. Tasks are always being uploaded even at night. So you can work at your pace, 1 hour or 5 hours, your call. No calls, no clients, no pressure, just you, your phone, and your brain. Pro tips to earn more on Clickworker, because I see a lot of people complain of not earning more. Number one is take the UHRS qualification tests. UHRS is where the real money is. Once you qualify, you get access to higher paying tasks. Number two, make sure you use Wi-Fi. Don't waste your data, especially when uploading images or doing multiple tasks. Three, be consistent. Guys, you need to be consistent because the more you work, the more the algorithm trusts you and the better tasks you will get. Okay? Look at this. See these small tasks. One might pay 0.50 cents, another will pay $2. You do 5 to 10 of these and suddenly you've got lunch money or even your next subscription fee. Okay? This is real and it works. I'm going to show you the sign up process on my computer right now. So I'm going to share my screen and show you the sign up process. So you want to go to clickworker.com and sign up. Okay? So you're going to click on register for Clickworkers and not for customers. Click on it. And then you begin your sign up process. Put your gender, your title, your name, your surname, your username, your email address, and confirm. So I'll just do it and come back to you guys. And when you're done with the first page, it's going to take you to the second step, which is your birthday, your country, your native language, and your address. Okay, you're also going to enter your phone number with your country code. So let me check Nigeria, because I'm actually doing this for people that are from Nigeria and Africa. So Nigeria is here, and choose Nigeria and then put your phone number. Okay, and then the last step will be it says, I understand that I need the Clickworker app installed on my mobile phone to access my Clickworker account. So you say yes and finish. So you're going to scan this to download the Clickworker app. So we're just going to do it straight away. So you scan it and then install the app on your phone, and then you click on finish. So you click on finish and then you're going to go to your email to confirm the registration. Okay. So I don't want this video to be too long. I'm going to skip that part and proceed to the next one because I actually have to share with you guys today. And you're going to complete your login using the app. Okay. So we're going to dive into the second one. The next one on our list is Cambly. Cambly is an online tutoring platform that connects English learners from all around the world with native or fluent English speakers. You don't need a teaching certificate, degree, or any formal experience. All you need is a good command of English, a stable internet connection, and the confidence to have casual conversations. This is perfect for people who love helping others, enjoy speaking with people from different cultures, and want to earn from the comfort of home. And yes, Nigeria and many African countries are absolutely eligible to apply as Cambly tutors. I know that my subscribers are mostly from Africa. Okay, in fact, Cambly accepts tutors from anywhere in the world as long as your spoken English is clear and understandable. You don't need to have an accent, and don't worry about your accent. Cambly welcomes a wide variety of English accents because students love learning from real people with diverse backgrounds. One of the best things about Cambly is flexibility. Yes, you can count on that. You can log in anytime, choose your own hours, and work as much or as little as you want. There's no fixed schedule, you're in control, alright? You also get paid every Monday through PayPal, and you earn $0.17 per minute. That's about $10.20 per hour, which is good considering the fact that you're working from home. Now, let me tell you a little trick. Nighttime tutoring is where the money is at, especially if you're in Africa. Okay? Cambly students are mostly from Asia, the Middle East, and the US. So when it's night time in Nigeria or Kenya, it is daytime over there. That means more students are online and your chances of getting calls are much higher. If you can stay up late or you're naturally a night owl like me, you can make the most of peak hours and maximize your earnings. Applying is super simple. Just head over to your Google Chrome, type cambly.com, I will display it on the screen, /tutors, and fill in your profile. You will need to record a short 1 to 2 minutes introduction video. Keep it friendly, clear, and confident. Talk about your background, your interest, and why you enjoy helping people learn English. No need to be perfect, just be yourself. So, to sum it up, Cambly is a great way to earn in dollars, work from home, and connect with people from all over the world. If you're in Nigeria or anywhere in Africa, you're eligible. Alright? And if you're willing to work at night, you can earn even more. Then let's look at why it works best at night, because I'm actually making this video for those who want to work at night. You can find quiet spaces with no background noise, because you actually need a quiet place for this particular one. No interruptions at night, no traffic sounds, just you and the camera. The kids are asleep. More focus, more energy, better performance, better chances of getting approved and paid. Okay, because everywhere is quiet and you're actually focused. So family, there you have it. 2 powerful remote jobs you can do at night on your phone from Nigeria, Ghana, Cameroon, Kenya, any part of Africa, and any part of the world. Now, I want you to think, what would an extra $5 to $50 a night mean to you? More money for data, saving for Japa plans, helping out at home, starting the side hustle you've always dreamed of. It's all possible, but only if you take action. These platforms are not a get rich quick scheme, okay? But if you're willing to put in the work, even a few nights a week, you can start stacking real income little by little. If this video gave you value, please smash that like button, drop a comment with I am ready to earn if you're serious. And don't forget to subscribe because more videos like this are coming every single week. Okay, I'm going to be consistent, guys. Watch out. Okay, and again, thank you for being patient with me. I'm back now, and I promise to bring you only the realest, rawest, and most honest online hustle tips out there. Until next time, stay grinding, stay glowing, and as always, stay winning. Bye for now.